Hello friends, let's learn English through the Story Toy Shop.
Emily was her father's apprentice, learning the art of toy making from him. She had inherited his knack for design and his gentle spirit. Together, they would spend hours sketching designs, selecting the finest woods, and painstakingly assembling each toy with care. One crisp autumn morning, as the leaves turned shades of gold and umber, a mysterious traveler arrived in Willowbrook. His name was Mr. Oswald, a wealthy merchant who traveled from town to town in search of unique treasures to sell in his shop. When he heard tales of Thomas' extraordinary toys, he knew he had to see them for himself.
Mr. Oswald visited Thomas's workshop and was immediately captivated by the craftsmanship and creativity on display. He approached Thomas with a proposal to showcase his toys in the grand toy emporium he owned in the bustling city of Everwood. Thomas hesitated at first, unsure about leaving Willowbrook and the children who adored his creations. But Emily encouraged him, seeing this as an opportunity for her father's talent to be recognized far and wide. Reluctantly, Thomas agreed to accompany Mr. Oswald to Everwood, leaving Emily in charge of the workshop in his absence. Before he departed, he gave Emily a special task to create a new line of toys to present at the emporium, ones that would reflect her own unique perspective and creativity. Emily threw herself into her work with determination. She sketched, carved, and painted, pouring her heart into each toy she created. Days turned into weeks, and soon the workshop was filled with her imaginative designs. The children of Willowbrook eagerly awaited their return, marveling at the toys Emily had crafted with such care. Meanwhile, in Everwood, Thomas's toys became an instant sensation. Families from far and wide flocked to Mr. Oswald's emporium to see the wonders crafted by the talented toy maker from Willowbrook. Thomas was overwhelmed by the praise and admiration, but his thoughts often turned to Emily back home. Back in Willowbrook, Emily missed her father dearly but found solace in the joy her toys brought to the children. She knew her father's absence was temporary, and she was determined to make him proud with her creations. Her days were filled with laughter and play, and the workshop buzzed with excitement as she prepared for Thomas's return. Finally, the day arrived when Thomas returned to Willowbrook, his arms laden with gifts and stories from his adventures in Everwood. He was greeted warmly by the townspeople, who celebrated his success and marveled at the toys he had brought back from the city. But the greatest joy for Thomas was seeing Emily's beaming face as she showed him the toys she had created in his absence. He embraced her tightly, proud beyond measure of the talented young woman she had become. From that day on, Thomas and Emily continued to work side by side in their workshop, crafting toys that brought joy to children near and far. Their bond grew even stronger, fueled by their shared passion for creativity and their love for each other. And so, in the town of Willowbrook, the legacy of the toy maker and his daughter lived on, a testament to the power of imagination, love, and the magic found in every toy they created.
Thanks for watching.